Hello and welcome back to another video. This problem, we're told the scatter plot shows a company's ice cream sales D in dollars and the high temperature T in degrees Celsius on 12 different days. A line of best fit for the data is also shown. We're asked which of the following could be an equation of the line of best fit. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 2 points from the scatter plot that are basically on the line of best fit, find an equation and see which of these it most closely matches. So I think it's going to be helpful if we take a point that's towards the smaller end. So we have 12, 500 is this point right here. And then at the larger end, we have this point, which is 25 and 1,000. So we have these 2 points. So we're going to need a slope and a y-intercept. So let's do the slope first. That's going to be the change in D over the change in T. Right, in the same way that it's usually a change in y over the change in x, right? D is on the y-axis, t is on the x-axis, so you're basically just inputting those, right? The change in D is 1,000 minus 500. And this is over the change in x, which is 25 minus 12. And you do this, it's 500 over 13. So what is 500 over 13? Well, it's roughly 37. So we take that and we say, okay, we have D is equal to MT plus B, right? Just like you'd have Y is equal to MX plus B, we have D equals MT plus B. We're just putting in different variables. We know M, our slope, is roughly 37. T plus B. And we have a point that we can put in where we plug in 500 for D is equal to 37 times 12 for T plus B. 37 times 12 is 444. So we have 500 is equal to 444 plus B. Subtracting that from both sides to solve for B, we get B is equal to 56. So we have a rough equation of D is equal to 37T plus B is plus 56. This isn't going to be exact. I don't even know if this 37 value is perfectly exact, but out of these, it's really only close to one of them, right? Our slope is 37, which is not close at all to 0.03 or 10, but it's close to 33, so both of these are options so far. And then when we look at the y-intercept, we have 30, 84. Which of these is closer to 56? 84 is a lot closer, so D is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.